a few questions.
Find out if you're guilty. Where were you the morning of January 3rd? Stop signing that in your eyes.
Walking my dog.
And your dog's name is?
Dog.
And where were you walking your dog?
Do I keep track of... Do I keep track of streets?
No.
Yes.
Okay, we'll take your word for it. Prove to us, or to
Why you're innocent.
Okay, well, number one, I got a fine for not picking up my dog's poo. And it's written on.
We don't need to know that.
Okay, the dog should pick up their own poo, okay?
Okay then.
Although I did see the car go by with all the loot. It was the Princess Island gang.
Are you trying to prove to us that the Princess Islands gang is guilty?
And Bloody Knuckles commanded it, and you two are going to come for him for $2 million.
How? What did we do?
You're just going to cover for him for $2 million.
Yeah. No, we're not.
So, are you trying to tell us that we did a piece of it too?
No, you're covering for them, which is practically guilty. Capital G.
No. Okay.
How dare you?
Anyways,
Now tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, my first name is Emily Avonia. I trade my dog to kill people, a Rottweiler. My job is a cleaner, and I'm very popular among clients, so often they leave me everything in their will.
And where do you live?
Oh, I have lots of houses, since every person who I clean for leaves everything they own in their will to me, and they often kind of die early as soon as they hire me.
I think we found ourselves a thief.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.